Okay, let us motherfucking continue. Every time we listen to Ramir, no, oh my god. Anyways, Pouya Fanic, what's the sound? This is coming from Leche, so let's see. What do we got? I always think it's Ramirez, dude. Wait, what do you mean Fantano just hates metal?
Like he Taliban. Ain't no ugly bitches in my section.
Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah. This is the type of voice that I love from these fuckers.
Turn around and how you tweeting like you hot, but you won't come around. I got a big extender on me, I'ma let her frowns. And this pistol shoot a movie with surround sound. Your big homie died as candles, I'ma kicking down. You a bum and let the block go get some money, clown. Hope you swim cause with these hollows, I'ma make you drown. Cops be stressing cause they know I brought the guns to town. I've been way too wasted, I can see straight. I think my Draco back cause he ain't shooting straight. I got big money, watch me do that. My pistol ring bells, yeah, he do that. Pop my chopper, I'm retarded. Pull a flexing in the britches, that way how I started. Lean perk, love, gas, I ain't no middleman. And my chopper got an accent like he Taliban. Pop my chopper, I'm retarded. Pull a flexing in the britches, that way how I started. Lean perk, love, gas, I ain't no middleman. And my chopper got an accent like he Taliban.
Back the fuck up, I need 6 feet before you talk to me.
God damn, dude, just the way this fucker comes in.
You got some sense and maybe I might wave the feet. AK-47 got them shaking like a tambourine. AK-47 got them jumping like a trampoline. I'm about to fuck this world and I don't need no Vaseline. Why be for you and making money make more sense to me? Yeah, I need some pussy to dip my dick in. She crying on my shoulders, telling me that I never listen to her problems and issues and the bullshit. Suicidal, I might empty out a full clip. Yeah, I need someone to dip my drink in. I was sober, but the devil pulled me back in. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, just the way the beat sounds on this shit and how both vocalists, both rappers are coming into this song with the pure aggressive type of energy from these fuckers. Amazing, dude. that all that combined together makes this song a banger. Okay. Hey, like I said, I'm definitely a sucker for when they go more energetic compared to like their more mellow type of stuff. So hey, that was dope. That was